Here we are, we're replacing the headlight in a 1981 to 85 Mercedes 300 SD turbo diesel. First thing you want to do, there's 4 of these. You want to remove these, they just twist off. One more right here, up high. There's 4 right in the corners. You want to unplug this, there you go. You want to loosen this up. This one you don't have to totally take off, just loosen it. Then you move this away because you've loosened it, and you pull this out, and then you pull this out. I might need a screwdriver for step 2. Okay, next step is 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Phillips head. This is a Sylvania 6054. I got it at AutoZone for probably $10.99. Then I remove this. Gotcha. Then it should just come out. Unplug it. As you can see, just a simple plug right there. We're going to unplug that. We're going to put our new bulb in. Done. Okay, next step, before you put everything back, make sure it works before you put that in there and everything. So, make sure you plug that back in, and then you can see if it works, because I trialed and errored. So maybe you got a little helper, just